How to make consistent characters in Leonardo AI. So if you want to create consistent characters like these in Leonardo AI, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to image generation. And once you are in image generation from here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come to the prompt section. So you're going to go ahead and type a prompt and you're going to make sure the prompt is descriptive. So to keep it consistent, you're going to imagine a background. So let's say gym background, middle-aged, Middle Eastern man, muscular, curly hair, gray tank top, and then, big beard. So you can add full details like this and then click on generate, and you're simply gonna let it go ahead and generate all these things for you. Obviously, you're gonna need to give as much details as I have given because it's extremely important to go full into the actual crux of your generation. So once you have given the details, you're simply gonna wait for them to generate. And once they're done generating, as you can see, mine are done. Look at that. So how incredible. Absolute consistent images and they look incredible. So yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me and I will see all of you next time. Goodbye.